Can I put my lips on you?
What?
Hi, this is Sammy again. It's my turn.
Yeah. And I'm Rob. We're here playing another torturous, strange round of Rogue Legacy. Every time we come back to this game, it seems to just give us more and more surprises.
Yeah, and especially because we fucking suck at it.
Right? But at least I gave them a glimpse into the dark world. We have enough to get... Nope! Go back. Go back. We have enough to get that.
Really?
Oh, wait, no, 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 no.
Yeah!
Shut up. I forgot the price goes up.
Oh. Shut up!
Ask her for something, alright? Ask her. Ask her! The woman!
Why would I ask a woman something?
That's racist. Oh, you can get this dash. Get the dash.
Okay. Alright, so...
Now you use both the trigger buttons to dash.
Oh, that's cool. Now it's even more like Castlevania.
Okay, would you go?
Anyway, the other day I was watching this story about like this guy that he had like a case of hiccups for... Nope. He had a case of hiccups for like 5 years, and it was so bad that his girlfriend broke up with him because of it.
Really?
Yeah.
Wait. How would that conversation have gone exactly?
I have no idea.
Just like, Bobby, I can't take the damn hiccups anymore.
But Becky, I love you so much. I just...
You bastard! I'm leaving you!
Becky, no! Please! Today, I lost my love, and I will never know love again. My heart is dead. What? I hate these things. I hate them!
Jump! Jump! Damn it, you could have jumped up the top of the invisible wall.
Is it invisible wall? Oh, okay.
Hercus Smurf! Could you get out of this room before you die?
Hi, Mr. Skeleton.
Well, lucky shot.
You're a lucky shot. You're a lucky fucking facial shot.
And dead. Whoa!
And dead.
Too bad.
Damn it!
Vault runes set you up, let you jump.
Do we still get to dash?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's a permanent skill. Oh, so you were Sarguda the second. Remember Sarguda from a couple of episodes ago?
Yeah.
I did not know.
Becky, I love you. Please come back.
That life just sucks for that guy.
I wonder if he still has the hiccups, because it was like an episode of Please Believe It or Not that was like from like 4 years ago. So
I can block.
I'm gonna look into that.
I can block. I can block.
Is it a cock block? Because if it's a cock block, I don't like it.
Stay away from me. Alright, you move in every time you're creepy and you try to touch me.
But you're so strong. I have to put my lips on you.
You want to make the sex on me? I love Tom's guy. He's funny.
We do not endorse Tomska, but he is funny.
We do endorse Tom's guy.
No, we don't.
We're kind and caring people. Josh, put a picture of Tom's guy on the screen. Hi, Tom's guy. You're so beautiful.
Okay. Everybody watching this probably just thinks I'm the worst gamer ever. I promise people I'm actually kind of good. It's just...
Bullet hell! Bullet hell!
Yeah, it's just that. I have no Rogue Legacy skills yet.
Now that I'm on table. You can get me. Very much so, apparently. Hey, look, that guy has ADHD. Why is they always girls? Lady Winry, trim your stash. Sir Taco, go for it. Sir Taco. Sir.
Be careful with knaves, though. They don't have very much health, like whatsoever.
Yeah, get some magic health, magic damage up. Down, down. There we go.
Alright. He's colorblind!
Oh my god, it's black and white. Sir Taco to the rescue.
Taco flavor kisses. Okay. The fact that you actually know that both does not surprise me and gives me a hard penis.
We have kids watching this show, sir.
No, we
We
don't.
don't need to talk about your wang.
Everybody wants to know about my wang.
Your character apparently doesn't bathe. Look at that trail. Look at that. He's colorblind. He doesn't bathe. His name is Sir Taco.
Taco, taco.
Okay, and apparently he has daggers flying from his nipples.
Yeah. Dude, I wish I had dagger nipples.
Oh, there they go again. Here they go again on their own.
Dun, dun.
Going down the only road they ever know.
Can you even tell me who's that?
Night Ranger? I don't know.
I'm actually not sure. It may be Night Ranger. Fucking, they all herald.
Dude, you were jumping into those with a conviction unrivaled.
That make me happy. I can't even see my health. God, these remind me
You're at
of
46 health. You're almost dead.
these things remind me of the fucking dragon skulls from Castlevania.
Sammy, if you jumped then, you could have made it.
Damn it!
Be a man.
Damn it!
Damn
Damn
it!
it!
You're at 1 health.
I will persevere.
Almost. Oh, that ice issue. Watch out for the spikes. Break those statues. Break yourself.
Yes, master. Misha don't do learning too well.
Okay, you went from a slave to Jar Jar Binks.
What's the difference?
It's like.
Oh.
But you went. Yes, master. Misa don't know nothing about the Jedi. Okay, Ghastly needs to die. You ran away from him. You're like, ha!
Oh shit!
Okay, is every woman in our fucking dynasty a she-male?
What's wrong with she-mills?
A lot.
They're the best of both worlds.
Yeah.
I would totally be like, hey baby, what's up?
What's your sign? Pisces. Yay! Look at how fast and elegant I am.
I feel like
I am so beautiful.
I feel like quoting one of the hookers from Red Dead Redemption and just be like, got anything of yours you like to put into something of mine? I hate to see a man with a dry pecker. Oh man, Red Dead Redemption is like one of the best games ever. That's like my favorite game of like this previous console generation. Like I played a lot of fucking games like fucking Skyrim and Oblivion and Fallout 3 and Batman and all of those fucking games. And I love those games, but to me like Red Dead Redemption is just fucking
Tits.
it's the tits. Like you were expecting it to be good, but like it's one of those weird games where it has like really good gameplay and like really good story. So
Oh my! Look at all that gold Robbie just got.
it's really hard nowadays to find games that like have good gameplay
Oh,
and
I
good
got
story.
hit in the knee.
And I will straight up say,
Right in the knee.
I will straight up say that Red Dead Redemption is the best Rockstar game of all time.
Well, that's your opinion.
No, it's the truth.
No, it's not.
It's the truth. It's the truth.
Okay, we're gonna cut this one a little early since we're approaching that time. But how about we do something a little different with the ending of this one? Sammy,
What?
will you marry me?
I thought you never asked.
What are you doing over there? Okay, guys. Thank you all for tuning in and watching another episode of Rogue Legacy, and thank you for watching us.
If you like this video, please give us a like. If you want to, subscribe, and just remember always that we love you, and Red Dead Redemption is the best Rockstar game ever.
Okay, guys. Thank you. And no, it's not.